And welcome in today's trade idea section inside of Blockrevision channel. It's a series when I talk about a very interesting stock in terms of technical and fundamental analysis. So in today's episode, we will find once again Skyworks Solutions. On Skyworks Solutions, we could find recently very interesting price action behavior that is very important for us in order to learn very important things. So let's approach Skyworks Solution stock chart a bit closer. So formally, I have just recommended Skyworks Solutions for you to trade to the upside. Right over here, we just made an entrance to the upside, and after just making this gap to the upside, and after not sustaining this price action, there was a very clear sign for us to exit. Right after that gap to the downside has been formed, that might have been a possibly very important signal to us that the stock might have gone lower. As we could see on a longer time frame, however, there is very important also resistance that have been hit thrice, and right now we can also find that this exactly area of 155 to 160ish right now has separated those two volume profiles that are very difficult to break. So any single exit, any single attempt of exit from this volume profile to the downside will be possibly rejected by support of this exactly gap between those two volumes, this one and that one. So right now we can find that this exactly zone is very important for Skyworks Solutions in terms of decision, taking a decision, and in which area Skyworks Solution is able to stay. So if you'd like to make an answer in which Skyworks Solutions area want to stay, we may just approach the shorter time frame chart, and right on a 1 hour chart we can find that after this break to the downside, this first attempt, we have noted an over average volume, especially seen at 15-hour chart, where this exactly candle only for 15-hour chart has been definitely one that that should rescue this stock from going lower. So I've just told you once that Skyworks Solutions might have been a good stock to bet to the downside from here, but I couldn't see right on the same session this very important reaction that has coincided with this very outstanding volume that couldn't been seen from very long time before, because it was once at 28th of September and right back at 20th of September. So this exactly reaction should be met with a possible bulls return to the Skyworks Solutions, so as we can see this one right now. So on 1 hour chart we can find that we are trying to build something that may be called a possible reversal, because this this recent high is quite as an equivalent level to this recent highs of local highs of 5th of October. So if we just won't go lower below 158.9 once again, there would be a very sweet spot in terms of possible reversal and getting through this very important 161.9 area. So Skyworks Solutions right now getting back to the possible upside stock with an extension of a trade to the upside of if I like to put a trading board with the first extension with an extension of 173 to the upside, and with a stop loss right at the or maybe with a possible stop loss or an alarm just been set at 154. So we can find that risk reward ratio is at 3 points level with this one stock. And in terms of leveraging your position, remember about not risking more than 2% of your trading capital and not risking more than, as we can find, 3 times leverage on a trade. That's my proposition. So Skyworks Solutions right now in terms of area of an entrance might be set right at this area with a downside limited to 158.02, and to the upside maybe make it a bit lower, as right now I wouldn't like to set an entrance right at the local top of recent, so I would put it with a limit to the upside of 161.25. So that's it for today's episode. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any question, just put it in the comment section below. I haven't really gone through fundamental analysis of Skyworks Solutions, as we've done it a few publications ago, so I highly recommend you to check recent episodes of Blockrevision. Thank you very much. See you in the next episode.